In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Safari background on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Safari browser and on Start page just hit at Edit button. And now there enable that feature background image. By default it turned off. Just hit on that switcher to enable that option, and now there you can select any of that images, or you can hit on plus sign to select one from your camera roll. I'll select that one, and now I can hit on that X icon to close settings, and as you see now I got new background for my Safari browser. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.